All right, we don't know the measure of x and y yet, but we know that they are congruent. So let's choose some variable and use it to represent the measure of both of them. Since they're congruent, we can use the same letter. We know that this angle is 90 degrees. And we know that the sum of these angles is the result of using the formula for the sum of the interior angles is the number of sides minus 2 times 180. So how many sides are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Since there's 5 sides, n is 5. And so the sum of our interior angles is 3 times 180, which is 540 degrees. Well, that's the sum of each of these interior angles. So let's write that on the left side of the equation. And that's how we set it up. The sum of these 5 interior angles is equal to n minus 2 times 180, which is 540 degrees. And now we'll do the algebra. X and x is 2x. These 3 numbers sum to 296. Subtract 356 from both sides. So we're left with 2x equals 184. So x equals 92. But they were asking for the measures of angle x and y. Oh, the way we set it up, they're x degrees. So we have our answer. Each of those angles is 92 degrees. That's number 17. I hope this little video helped.